Advocates of the Freedom of Information Bill will continue their crusade to champion its legislation in the 16th Congress. Despite the support of the President for its passage in the 15th Congress, it failed to pass. A proposal to insert the right to reply provision was rejected by people's organizations. Now, what campaign by the advocates to ensure this time the Freedom of Information Bill will finally make it? And joining us tonight on News Live is May Paner, better known as Juana Change, an active voice for the FOI. Good evening, ma'am, and welcome to News Live.
Hi, good evening, and thank you for having me.
Ma'am, to start off, why are you active in promoting the Freedom of Information Bill, and how will it benefit our people, especially the poor, in gaining access to information from government when it comes to governance?
Well, actually, I'm really very active in the campaign for the Freedom of Information Act. I mean, simply because it is an act that is truly beneficial, most especially to the poor. Can you just imagine if you wanted to get medicine, access to education, you do have a way of finding out why or how you will be able to get stuff that is really due you.
Now, do you think this will promote more accountability and transparency, and will this reduce graft and corruption?
Oh, well, hopefully, most definitely, you know. I mean, that is exactly why we want this passed, because exactly for those reasons.
Now, how would you convince members of Congress to act on this bill without inserting the right to reply provision?
Without insulting them, joke. Actually, I think, ano yan eh, ang gusto may paraan, ang ayaw may dahilan. Yung right to reply na yan, parang maybe it is just a delaying tactic on their part so that we can further delay the passing of FOI. But utang na loob, I mean, you know, it has been promised by the President. It's been long overdue. And I think if you are a congressman and rockstar at that, you will be one who will support its passage in this Congress, actually.
Ma'am, do you think it helps you that you're being in the limelight, being a celebrity yourself, help you in your advocacy?
I hope so. I think people will know that the Wanna Change advocacy is really something that pushes for good governance, and that advocacy is really for the people. And because it is such, I think they believe that the truth of what we do represent, and I guess people know me because of what I do, and I hope that helps.
Actually, I asked that because you're actually launching an indirect initiative. How will you do it, and will you campaign? How will you campaign and convince all the congressmen to support the bill?
Well, actually, we're really now in the process of thinking of the most creative means so that finally in this Congress, mailalabas na natin ang hubad na katotohanan. Kung kailangan ko ngang maghubad para maibigay lang nila yan, matakot na sila, gagawin ko sapagkat utang na loob lang po sa mga congressmen, sa senador, sa ating pinakamamahal na presidente. I think ito na ang panahon para naman kayo ay bumida sa inyong pagtulong na mismo sa pagpasa ng FOI, sapagkat ito po, sa totoo lang, wala namang demokrasya na nagkakait ng impormasyon. At sa ating mga kababayan, siyempre kailangan engage tayo mga taong bayan to make sure na nakukuha natin ang tamang serbisyo, ang lahat ng information para naman makatulong sa ating mga mamamayan.
Ma'am, in your own opinion, do you think na hindi ba sapat yung information that we get or the people can access through media? Is it not sufficient enough to say that the government is doing its job of delivering the services we need?
Hindi ka kailangang dumaan sa media para makuha mong impormasyon. Kailangan yun diretso. At kung wala ka namang tinatago, bakit bang pinapahirapan pa, hindi ba?
Now, are you confident that Aquino will support your initiative?
Ako naman umaasa sa ating Pangulo na sa Kongresong ito ay ipagkakaloob niya na sa atin na maipasa ang FOI, sapagkat sa totoo lang, it was his campaign promise.
And a final word from you, ma'am, panawagan mo sa ating mga viewers.
Ngayon po ay magpapasa kami ng isang initiative, no, na galing mismo sa taong bayan. So, hinihingi ko po na lahat kayo ay tumulong na suportahan ang People's Initiative na ito na ihahain natin sa Kongreso. Pagtulungan po natin, sapagkat kung nagsasalita ang taong bayan, sino sila para hindi tayo pakinggan?
Okay, on that note, thank you very much for joining us tonight on Newslive. That was Miss May Paner, also known as Wanna Change, a true champion of reforms. Thank you, ma'am.